Hello, in front of me I have Amazfit GTS 2E and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the side button again to open the menu. Now let's scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called display and brightness and tap on it, and here find the option called screen on duration and select it. Now you should see the list of durations on the screen. You can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen. Basically you have durations from 5 to 30 seconds. Select the duration you like, for example 5 seconds, and once you're done you can swipe right on the screen or press the side button to go back to watch face. Like this. And now my screen should turn off automatically after 5 seconds of inactivity. Like this. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.